Hello and welcome to the session. Leading and managing teams LO2. Know how teams are developed. Are you ready to understand how teams are developed and managed effectively? This video explores key concepts and models in team development, focusing on creating high-performance teams. Discover how aligned goals, trust, and communication drive success. Aligned goals are crucial for team success. They ensure everyone is working towards a common objective. Clarity in goals helps each member understand their role. This alignment fosters collaboration and mutual support. It sets the foundation for effective teamwork. Mutual trust and respect are pillars of strong teams. Trust allows members to rely on each other. Respect ensures everyone's contributions are valued. These elements create a positive team environment. They encourage open communication and cooperation. Collaboration is about working together effectively. It involves sharing ideas and resources. Teams that collaborate achieve better results. This requires open communication and mutual understanding. Successful collaboration boosts team morale and productivity. Effective communication is the backbone of successful teams. It keeps everyone informed and engaged. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings. It involves active listening and feedback. Teams with strong communication are more cohesive and efficient. Tuckman's model outlines 5 stages of team development. It begins with forming, where members meet and establish roles. Storming involves conflicts as members express ideas. Norming sees resolution and team unity. Performing is when the team works effectively towards goals. Adair's framework focuses on task, team, and individual. It emphasizes balancing these elements for success. Task refers to achieving objectives. Team involves collaboration and support. Individual focuses on personal development and contribution. McGregor's XY theory contrasts 2 management styles. Theory X is authoritarian, focusing on control. Theory Y is participative, encouraging involvement. Effective teams often thrive under Theory Y. It fosters trust and motivation among members. Effective teams have clarity of purpose. They communicate openly and accurately. Conflict is used positively to improve decisions. Members are accountable and committed. Leadership is shared, fostering responsibility and morale. Positive group dynamics rely on trust and respect. Conflict is inevitable but managed productively. Teams focus on solutions rather than problems. Interpersonal relationships are key. They build a cohesive and supportive environment. Team development enhances group effectiveness. It involves stages like forming and storming. Norming and performing follow, leading to success. Adjourning marks the end of the team journey. Development requires continuous effort and adaptation. High-performance teams excel in collaboration. They have shared vision and goals. Communication is open and transparent. Respect and trust are fundamental. They manage conflicts effectively and have strong leadership. Setting clear goals is crucial for high performance. Team members need to understand their roles. Communication skills ensure goals are clear. Selecting diverse and skilled members is key. Leadership must inspire and motivate the team. Selecting team members involves considering individualism, balance experience, and ability for effective teamwork. Diversity in skills and backgrounds enriches the team. It prevents groupthink and encourages innovation. Leadership potential is important for future growth. Team development models offer different perspectives. Tuckman's stages focus on group dynamics. Drexler-Sibbitt emphasizes trust and renewal. Lencioni's model addresses dysfunctions. Each model provides valuable insights for team success. The Drexler-Sibbitt model outlines 7 stages. It starts with orientation and trust building. Goal clarification and commitment follow. High performance and renewal are the final stages. This model highlights continuous improvement and learning. Lencioni's model identifies 5 dysfunctions. Absence of trust and fear of conflict are key issues. Lack of commitment and accountability hinder success. Inattention to results affects team performance. Addressing these dysfunctions leads to effective teamwork. The Drexler-Sibbitt model begins with orientation. Dissatisfaction follows as challenges arise. Integration and production lead to effective teamwork. Reflection and dissolution complete the cycle. This model emphasizes adaptation and growth. Reflection is crucial for team improvement. It involves assessing achievements and challenges. Learning from experiences enhances future performance. Continuous adaptation sustains high performance. Teams must embrace change and growth. In conclusion, understanding how teams are developed is essential for building effective and high-performing teams. Team development involves stages such as forming, storming, norming, and performing, where individuals learn to work together, manage conflict, and achieve shared goals. Knowing how teams develop helps leaders provide appropriate support, encourage collaboration, and improve communication. Effective team development contributes to increased motivation, productivity, and successful achievement of organizational objectives. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688.